There is a saying, we are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. Hello everyone, as you all know, we are celebrating Unity in Diversity. So I would like to be a part of this celebration and present my thoughts on cultural and religious diversity. Do you know what that means? Well, we all come from different places, speak different languages, eat different kind of food and celebrate different festivals. But even though we all are different, we can still live together happily and be friends. That is what Unity in Diversity is all about. Now imagine our school is like a big garden. In the garden, there are many beautiful flowers of different colors, shapes and sizes. Each flower is special, but together they make the garden look even more beautiful. Just like that, all of us, no matter where we come from, we are like the flowers in the garden. When we come together, we make our school and our world a better place. So remember, it's okay to be different. What's most important is to help each other, respect each other and be kind. That's how we stay united even though we all are unique. So let's come together and celebrate Unity in Diversity. Thank you so much.